Good afternoon. I'm Benicia Mayor SYoung. Happy New Year. Today I'd like to speak about the situation at Raley's and the potential positive COVID cases that have been revealed. Let me tell you what I know about the sequence of events. On Christmas Eve, Raley's held a potluck party for employees. They posted pictures of this party on their own Facebook page. After a few days, those pictures started circulating. 2 days after the party, one of the frontline managers went home ill with serious flu-like symptoms and has since been identified as COVID positive. As the pictures were being circulated on social media, I became aware of it. And this was around New Year's Eve. At that time, I contacted the city manager and the fire chief. The fire chief contacted County Public Health, who came down and investigated, and ultimately assigned a violation of COVID protocols to Raley's store for the potluck party. I have a lot of concern about the health, not only of the manager who is out sick, and I wish them the best and a speedy recovery, but also the need to properly and quickly notify other employees of what is happening. The manager who went out sick right after the party, there were a number of people who were photographed sitting close to them, and those people are still working. Those people should have had the opportunity to be notified about the manager being out sick. And I also want to say that this is not about bashing Raley's or bashing employees. Grocery store employees, just like nurses and doctors and firefighters, are essential employees, and we are eternally grateful for the work that you have done for our community. But my concern is about transparency and being sure that employees are aware of what is happening in their workplace in regards to COVID, and also that the public is aware of what is happening. So what I would like to ask Raley's management is to voluntarily make some changes and set up a process where it is understood that if an employee has been exposed to someone who is COVID positive, that they are sent home to quarantine on paid leave, that they are offered a COVID test at Raley's expense, and that in fact Raley's may want to consider setting up a regular program of testing all of their employees on a regular basis. But at a minimum, I believe it's important that now that discussion has been happening in the press and on social media about the situation, that the store needs to be transparent about what is happening. They need to tell their employees what is happening. They need to tell the public what is happening. So I am hopeful that there can be changes and improvements in how Raley's handles their own COVID protocols, and I hope that information will become widely available to the public going forward. Thank you.